Hello everyone, today I'd like to do another unboxing of spotting scope. This is also by Bossdun. It's HD, it's long focal zoom, and it's good for bird watching, like for boating, yachting, for horse racing, or even for hunting. So it comes in this box. I'm just gonna open it up and show you what's inside. Like in previous model that I reviewed, it also has this nice looking carrying case. This is the phone adapter. I'm just going to quickly show you how it looks. So it's helpful for using it with any phone that you have, be it iPhone or Android. This is the tripod. It's a basic tripod, but it's really well made. What I like, it's also lightweight. It's not heavy at all. And now this is the item itself. Let's open it up and see. Okay, as usual, the manual. Now we can open it up and take a look, and look what's inside. So I'm going to open it and show you quickly. Here you go. Okay, so I just remove the plastic wrapping. This is how it looks. We can remove the cover from here. I'm going to show you here. Also, it extends just like in previous model. It's really easy to extend it. Here is for attaching onto tripod. You can also remove this cover here. Here you are. Overall, it's really lightweight, and you can easily put it on your backpack and just go for bird watching or just, enjoying the beautiful nature. Thank you for watching.